Hey everyone, I just wanted to uh, give a little bit of announcements and just kind of a recap of our first week, going through our assignments and also me trying to adjust to what works and things I found out along the way this week as well. So just want to give a hopefully not too long of a video just to kind of go over a few things. First is that you guys should all have been working on that week 1 practice test found on the March remote learning website page that I've been sending out to you guys through Remind. And hopefully you guys are able to print those out and work through them, attempt them first, but then check the solutions with my key, and then making corrections and also using the videos to help you out as well. So that's those are assignments that you can either turn in after spring break or through Google Drive, which I'll talk about a little bit later. The second is there's quite a few supplemental multiple choice and FRQ topics that is at the bottom half of that that page that we have everything on the remote learning page. Now these topics right now are optional, but I encourage you guys to work through it. They may become assignments after spring break, depending on what happens after spring break. If we come back, then I'll be able to give you assignments face to face. But if digital learning continues after spring break, then I may make it to be assignments. So that's kind of a wait and see situation. Thirdly, I tried sending you links through your email. To your email, links to Google Drive, but I think all the emails I pulled from Infinite Campus didn't quite work out. So some of you have already sent me requests through Remind about the personal email that you want me to send it to. So if you haven't done so and you want to submit your assignments through Google Drive, then send me email. Just let me know through Remind your email address, and I'll be able to add you. Again, these are submitting through Google Drive is not required. Right now, it's optional because the assignments are technically not due until way after spring break, April 24th. But if you want to submit early, you can scan. Make sure that it is your own handwriting. Put your name on top. You can scan it. Send it to me in a PDF form or in a document form, and make sure you have your name at the top. Title your file accordingly, and I will enter your grades on a weekly basis, probably on Sunday nights. Yeah, I'll look to enter grades Sunday evenings. It just allows you to see your grades updated earlier if you like, but again, you don't have to turn it in until after spring break. Next. Chapter 7 test and 7.2 quiz are going to be canceled. We just don't have enough time to go over it. And also I'll talk about Chapter 7, area volume, in a little bit as well. I just held a video conference session this Friday afternoon at 2. I used Zoom, but as soon as I got done with it, I got word from Mr. Spirito that Zoom is not allowed by teachers to use. This is from Fulton County. So I'm struggling a little bit with Microsoft Teams, so I don't know exactly how to get the how to set it up using my document camera. So I think what I'm going to do is have you guys send questions that you want me to go over. So on Tuesdays you guys will work on your assignments. The next one coming up is 2003 multiple choice test. You guys will work through those. You guys have all the resources. But if you have problems that you want me to go over, send those questions to me, and I will compile them, and I will create a weekly Friday video of additional new announcements that I gathered, and also answering questions and problems that you guys have. And I think maybe that's a way to kind of work around the fact that I can't use Zoom, and it's hard for me to do video conferencing. Yeah, so just send me questions, and I will probably ask for it probably Thursday, on Thursdays, so that I can compile them and I can work it out for you guys on Friday. Just received information from College Board about our AP exams. So AP exams are going to be take-home. Yes, they're going to be take-home. Well, actually, they're going to be, I believe, you're going to be working on the test off a secure website. So you'll be able to work from home. You'll be able to take that AP exam. As far as we know right now, it's 45 minutes length. But in terms of what's on it, I'm guessing it's probably going to be 1 or 2 FRQs and 12 multiple choice, right? They need to at least give at least 2 minutes per problem for these multiple choice. So I think more update will be coming either April 2nd or 3rd. And they also understand that we did, but a lot of school systems and their curriculum did not, because we moved kind of fast, did not cover area and volume. So area and volume, that chapter 7 that we went through these last couple of weeks, is not going to be on the AP exam. So that's something to keep in mind. And obviously, as I give you guys problems to do, we can probably safely just ignore and remove those problems dealing with area and volume. Let me know if there's any feedback about support that I can provide with AP Review. Yeah, I think easiest way is just to contact me through Remind, or email is fine as well. I may reach out to you to do help sessions, especially if we want to have you do any recovery work that you need to do. So I'll probably reach out to you individually about that. And yeah, help sessions, I will make weekly videos on Fridays. And then also, yeah, shoot me if there's anything, shoot me any information. If you see something that other teachers across different curriculums are doing that are helpful, that maybe that I could apply. So, but yeah, I think that is all I have for now. I'll touch base with you next week, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions with your assignments on Tuesdays, or even on the supplemental assignments. If you have any questions about those, I will continue to put out content, making videos, especially for the multiple choice portions. And if you look, I have it organized, that multiple choice section, in order that we covered, with limits, and then with chapter 2, and then with chapter 3. So if you have time, if you're able to spend any sort of time with those supplemental material, I think you'll just feel more comfortable as we move towards AP exam time. All right, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week.